up guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to open these packs and it's going to be amazing. So we have two guests here, my little brother and my little sister.
Hi guys.
So now we're going to open. Each of us are going to get one pack. So one here for my little sister, here, and for my brother, and one for me. So after we're going to open the limited edition cards, but now we're going to see what we're gonna get. So now my brother is going to start first. It's gonna take a little time.
You open it for me.
Right. Now let's see what he gets. So he gets PK.
It's my card.
That's super good. And he gets this guy. He gets this guy. He also gets Lloris from Tottenham. And he also gets a very good striker. And he gets Toby Alderweireld. So now let's see what my little sister is
Give me
going
my
to
card.
get. So she opened it, and now let's see. She got, don't fall out of my hands, Mbappe. That's so good. And she gets Diallo. And this guy, he gets Joe Gomez. And if you know him, Lee. And the goalkeeper, Merit. Here you go. So now let's see what I'm going to get. Wait. Oh, let's see.
What's your card?
Icardi. That's pretty good. Wait. Oh, he is man of the match. Müller. Hakimi. Jordan Henderson. I also have another card I'll show you after of him. Orsic. And I have Hakimi again. So now we have some packs left. 2 more packs. So actually,
I'm gonna get
he's going to open the pack with our
legendary card.
Neymar. So now my little sister is gonna open hers first. She has something. It is Frankie de Jong. That's so good.
Is he very good?
Yeah, he has a good season this year. Mendes. Vinicius Jr. He's also pretty good. He's mini Ronaldo pretty much. And this guy from Real Madrid, teammate. And
Mohammed.
and this guy,
Mohamed Salah.
And Mohamed Salah. He has 100 attack. That's nice. That's super good.
What can I see?
So now we're going to open my pack.
No, mine first.
I
but
lost.
have you, Mom.
Something good. We got. Ooh, Griezmann, Antonio Griezmann. It's a long time ago. He got, he came to.
Yes.
I also got Casemiro. He's a midfielder.
Liverpool.
I got Mo Salah. Again. We got
There.
Bernardo Silva. Yeah, he's also good. Portuguese fan. Okay. And this guy. And then we have this guy.
My turn to open Neymar.
See if we can open it. So let's see.
Wait, there's more cards in here. Where's the Neymar? Okay, first I have Neymar.
Neymar. Then we got Ter Stegen. He has a very good season.
And I got Sam.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, we all got a lot of cool cards. And I told you I would show you my Jordan Henderson. I had another one.
There's another Mahala.
So
Yours was 100.
2 Hendersons. So guys, we also got Masala and another Masala. So if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. If you want to support my little brother, he's also gonna get a YouTube channel.
I have one. So can you tell me?
And my sister is also going to get a YouTube channel.
Yes. It's gonna be called Mina18.
So you can also check it out. And his YouTube channel is SharkyBoy74 So now if you enjoyed it, please support all of us. And well, goodbye.
Bye. Bye.